Hi, this is Ken Leibow with the Life Distribution Technology Committee, known as LDTC. And today we're going to give you a quick demo of our new life underwriting benchmarking tool. The LDTC Life Underwriting Benchmarking Tool is a web app, so you will need a browser and be connected to the internet. You can use a laptop, a tablet. I'm currently using an iPad Pro, and even a smartphone. As long as you hold it horizontal, then it'll render correctly. This is for insurance professionals only, and we also show when it was last updated, which was November. We show it by month. There are two parts to this tool. The left-hand side is a filtering dashboard, and the right-hand side are the results. So let's start on the left-hand side and look at the type of underwriting programs under requirement process. We have 4 types: accelerated underwriting, executive advantage underwriting, non-med underwriting, and simplified issue underwriting. We currently have 27 carriers underwriting programs. They're listed alphabetically, starting with AIG through Transamerica. And this list continues to grow as we continue to add more carriers. We also can filter by submission types. Some carriers will just use generic like drop ticket, e-app, paper application, carrier website, and others will be more specific to their tool set like AG Quick Ticket. Now, before we get into the rest of the filtering, let's look at the type of information that gets displayed. So I'm going to go ahead and filter, let's say, Mutual of Omaha, for example. And you'll see immediately Mutual of Omaha's underwriting programs display on the right-hand side. Starting with the carrier name, the underwriting program, and by the way, all of these orange circles with question marks are pop-up help information. So for accelerated underwriting, for example, we have clients that have the potential of no medical requirements during the underwriting process. Programs may be limited to healthier clients, and many programs require ratings of preferred or better. Applications will kick to traditional underwriting if disqualified for accelerated underwriting, which is kind of a standard definition. So you'll see help throughout the tool. We have specific carriers underwriting program names. We also have product names for this underwriting program. Some carriers will be generic and they just may say term or UL, and others will list specific product names like Mutual of Omaha does here, like Income Advantage. We also show if the underwriting program is available in the state of New York, and you can even filter. If you're looking for programs in New York, you can go to the left here and choose yes for New York and look for programs in New York. We have minimum maximum issue ages. We have face amount limits and how to submit business. There could be one or multiple. The underwriting classes available for this underwriting program. And then we may have information about things like riders. So in this case, no other insured rider or multiple lives on one application. Child riders eligible, as are all other riders for this particular underwriting program. Now, if there was no information on riders, then this field would not even display for aesthetic purposes. Average processing time, like underwriting decision, is immediate upon submission of e-app. It may say 24 to 48 hours. We have telephone interview information, even telephone interview time with some underwriting programs. And we have notable features like no random kickouts for audit purposes. You can see if you click more on this simplified issue underwriting program from Mutual of Omaha, you can see we do banding by age and face amount. So we can handle those complexities as well. So let's look at some of the filters on the left-hand side here. And let's say we want to see if there are any underwriting programs that will issue a 70-year-old. So I'll type 70 and hit enter. And you'll see that we have several programs. Assurity will go up to 85, Bright House 75, Forester 70, and here's another Forester's program that goes up to 85, etc. So let me reset this, and let's look for what underwriting programs will go up to $5 million of face amount. And let's filter it further, and let's look for an accelerated underwriting program that'll go up to $5 million or more. So here's a Surety's accelerated underwriting program that's $10,000 and up. Here's Mass Mutual, which will go up to $5 million. And we have Penn Mutual, which will go up to $7.5 million. So you can see how easy it is to just filter out this information. In addition, we also can show you more information as it relates to notable features. So here's one from American National. Like, exams are not automatically required. The need for an exam is based on answers to the application, MIB, RX, and risk classifier. So this type of data you don't normally find on unless you really go through an underwriting guidelines pamphlet or document. Very difficult to kind of search and find this information. This tool makes it very easy. Now, where does the data come from? Well, after we initially captured the data from multiple sources, we then sent it to all of the carriers on the list to validate the data and send us any changes. If they want to add underwriting programs, we have a template that they can fill out. For any other changes, additions, deletions, etc., they just go here and to this green box, put their name, email address, and a note, and they can attach a file. And we also have an admin tool where it just takes a matter of minutes to make any changes needed, and we typically will publish it the same day. So very simple. Thank you for watching the demo of the LDTC Life Underwriting Benchmarking Tool. And as you can see from these top life insurance carriers, their underwriting programs have great features that you can now see with this tool for your digital point of sales process. So if you want to get the tool, all you have to do is go to this website, which is InsurTechExpress.com/underwriting-programs. This tool is free. You can bookmark it. You can put it on your website for your advisors. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, Ken Leibow, ken@InsurTechExpress.com, or call me at 402-740-7356. Thank you.